Welcome to Magic Kingdom. Welcome to Tron Day. Tron is over there. I'm hoping to get a 1 o'clock reservation. I did not get the 7 o'clock. We are gonna look at merchandise. Dad has merchandise. And we're gonna have some fun. If we can't get on Tron, I don't know what else we're gonna do. But we're gonna have some fun today. Let's go.
This is where the main store, the real store, is going to be. They had 4 years to get that store open. It was not ready for opening day. So they had separate stores in Stitch's Great Escape and Star Traders, but not ready. So let's go walk around.
So I am able to just walk in here over to what used to be Stitch's Great Escape, and we can check out the merch.
Are you enjoying this video? If so, there are a few things that you can do that would really help Dad out. Go ahead and subscribe, give the video a like, and hit the notification bell. That would be great. The black shirt is the pass holder shirt, was $39.99. The blue shirt was the regular shirt, was $44.99. The backpacks were $54.99 and no annual pass discount on those at all.
$49.99. Oh, $59.99. The helmet lights up. Oh, that's dope. Does anyone say dope? I don't know, but I'm gonna say dope. $44 for that last shirt. $99 for the jacket. Doesn't look like you can actually put a disc on it. You do have an identity disc, which is a Bluetooth speaker for $68. And then if you want to change the color, you gotta spend $15 to get a new color disc, which comes in red, blue, yellow. $69.99. A remote control light cycle. $59.99 for the hoodie. $59.99. Have your own light cycle. And then there are the light jets for 20. And light cycles for 20. The Flynn's arcade shirts are $39.99. $59.99 for the hoodie. $29.99 for the hat. I got some retro Tron stuff. That's pretty freaking cool. $70 for the retro characters, Tron and Flynn. Don't forget about Ram. The characters, $25. $120 for this 3-character set. That's freaking cool. $50 for the backpack. And you can get a vintage identity disc for $10. That's awesome. I love it. $55 for that one. $40 for that. $70 for a light up Tron arcade sign. Another $40 shirt. Good handle, but sits kind of weird. It's funny. And they also have the 4-wheel car for $20. $29.99 for the light up picture frame. $39.99. Lounge slide. Shoulder bag. Cool.
And these gold and silver coins were $2.99 and they had multiple designs.
Without a reservation, you can get up slightly into the area. You can see the carts running. You can do some stuff, but you can't get all the way in, like where you can test yourself on the bikes. But you can see the carts running. You can see a little bit of the theming. This place is awesome at night. I can't wait to come back in here. But I think I'm gonna go head over to the new Energy Bytes booth and try some of the new Tron foods. Dad is rocking his Tron annual pass holder shirt, and I've got my Tron backpack. I couldn't resist. I think I see somebody that I know.
Yeah, look at this guy.
I know this guy.
I know this guy.
I know him. And he has a Tron shirt.
I've got the Tron shirt
I think he's here
You got
for the
a Tron
same
shirt
reason
on?
I'm here. We are gonna get the entire menu,
Whole
everything here.
thing. The whole
But
thing.
there's a catch.
Ooh.
Half of them will be tried on Drew's channel. Drew in the moment.
And we're in the moment right now.
And you're gonna have to go over there. And you're gonna have to do it to
And you're
try
gonna
his
have to
stuff.
finish watching this vlog
Yeah.
as well.
Oh, I think it's almost our turn. Let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
We have the beef digital dumplings from Energy Bytes. These look like a beef shomai dumpling. Little broccoli sauce.
Are you gonna show my dumpling?
I'm gonna show your dumpling. I'm gonna put my dumplings in my mouth. That's what I'm gonna do. A lot of soy, a lot of sesame. I like it.
Not too salty for you?
This one's not too bad, no.
Okay, because I have tried it once before, so I'm gonna have to try this.
Maybe they cut back on the salt.
Maybe they
This
hurt
is not
everybody.
this is not salt in the face. This is salty, but it's soy sauce salty to me, which is what I'm used to from that flavor profile.
Okay,
Let's let Drew give it a try.
let's try it.
Go.
All right, here we go. I want to see if it's less salty than the other time that I tried this. Here we go. It's still salty, but it's a lot less salty
Okay.
than the first time I had it.
Gotcha.
You know, like it, yeah, it was like double the amount of sauce.
Oh, wow.
Salty.
That would have been
Yeah,
too
but-
much salt.
Yes, but it is salty in case you are, you know, like
Sensitive.
salt sensitive.
Yeah.
Be wary of this dish, but no, it is good.
You know what it needs? Chili oil.
I agree. Spice that thing
A
right
hint
up.
of chili oil in there would balance the salt, be perfect.
I agree.
Let's see what the queen thinks.
Let's go do it.
The last time she tried these, they were so salty she couldn't even finish them.
Let's see. Well, this is way better. But the other one I tried is better.
The chicken dumplings are better, I agree.
Yeah.
If I were to rate them, I would say the chicken dumplings are better than the beef
Good, though.
dumplings. Because I
Would
like
you
spice.
get it again, Jamie?
I would.
You would? Okay.
But not over the buffalo chicken
No.
one.
If I could only order one, I'd order buffalo chicken.
Buffalo chicken for the win, baby.
All right, we got one more dish. And the last dish we will be trying are the donut holes, which when they hand it to me, I swear they look like a giant bowl of Cocoa Puffs. They even have milk. All right,
Well, they're just melting.
all right, let's give it a try. It's a solid donut,
Yeah?
and it's like coffee flavored.
Ooh, that's right up my alley.
Dude, that sauce is like a mocha. Oh my God.
So we got a mocha sauce in there.
Oh my God.
Oh, that looks good. Heavenly? Heavenly?
So good.
I gotta
Oh,
get
just
in
gotta
there.
get in there, hold on.
I gotta get in there.
Oh my God, Drew, you gotta get in there.
All right, here we go, guys.
Get that sauce. I think it's the mocha milk that they give you with the Joffrey's coffee.
That's fantastic. They elevated a donut hole like I've never experienced. No, seriously, what you need to do is roll the donuts all around in that sauce. That's what you need to do, and just coat it down on it.
Can I get a cup of the sauce, please?
Just to drink it. Those are good.
Those are fantastic.
Queen's gonna like these ones, I'm telling you.
All right, let's
She
get over
really
there.
is. Let's go have a try.
Get up too much, but
Okay. So this is.
get the sauce.
Okay, I'm gonna get the sauce.
Make sure you get the sauce. The sauce.
It's all about sauce.
Here, guys. It's dry.
Oh!
It's dry a little bit. It's really good. It's like melted ice cream. Warm melted ice
Yeah,
cream.
a little bit. Okay, I see that. But maybe that's why they give you the sauce. so
It's
you
pretty
don't
good,
get
though.
dry.
I
You get a
like it.
coffee
You
flavor
guys-
from it?
You guys like it?
I love it.
Did you get a coffee flavor from the sauce? Like a mocha?
Oh, yes, I do. You're right.
The best place to do a food review is right next to a train whistle.
It really is. But I
do.
think we've lost the donut holes. I think Queen just is gonna have those.
No,
Yeah.
no way. No way.
All right, now I need to try my watermelon refresher.
Yes, you do.
And the last thing I got is the watermelon refresher. I'm just gonna go for it. Wow. Wow. It is super sweet,
That, yes.
but very refreshing on a day like today. Yeah, get this.
And it's watermelon. You can't go wrong with
Any watermelon drink, I'm down for.
Yep.
If you haven't already come from Drew's vlog, go to Drew's vlog, Drew in the Moment. Check out the rest of everything from Energy Bytes and our adventures from today. Head over there and let's go have some more fun. Dad tried twice to get into the virtual queue and did not get into the virtual queue for Tron, unfortunately. But I did get to ride it on Pass Holder Preview Day. So here's that ride. Oh! Okay, this is cool.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence.
Oh my god.
Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1.
From Magic Kingdom for Tron. I didn't get on today, but I had fun. I ate a bunch of stuff.
You didn't get on.
I hung on with this guy. We ate food.
We did.
We looked at Tron stuff.
I'm so full.
I am
so
full. And I'm refreshed.
And I am also refreshed.
And it is 1 billion degrees here in Florida today. So we're gonna get out of here. There's only one way to live.
It's in the moment, and this guy never does outro.
Not even on the first day of Tron.
No, especially not on the first
No.
day of Tron. Absolutely not.
So that's it. Bye.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed that video, why not throw Dad a good old like and subscribe and do the notification thing, or leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video was. That would really help Dad out, and you can go check out one of these other videos. I'm sure they're fantastic. I mean, I made them, so I'm pretty sure they're fantastic. All right, yeah, do that stuff.